Alam mo ba that Steve Jobs denied his daughter? Yup, Steve Jobs, the genius behind Apple. Nagkaroon siya ng anak nung pagkabinata niya. Her name is Lisa Brennan Jobs. Pero dinenay ito ni Steve Jobs, hindi niya kinilalang anak to. But the early computers of Apple, he named after her. Ito yung the Lisa. Sabi ni Steve Jobs, acronym daw to for Local Integrated Software Architecture. But deep inside, alam niya naman na pinangalan niya yon after her daughter. Let's talk about Steve Jobs and her daughter, the story of ambition, denial, and eventually, realization. Noong 23-year-old si Steve, nagkaroon siya ng anak sa pagkabinata with his then girlfriend, Chrisann Brennan. Pero nung pinanganak si Lisa, yung anak niya, hindi niya agad to inangkin. For years, sinabi niya pa na hindi siya sure kung siya talaga yung tatay. But, the DNA test confirmed it. And here's the ironic part. Habang lumalaki si Lisa, wala siyang time dito. Hindi niya naalagaan, hindi niya napakita yung pagmamahal niya because he was so busy building one of the most revolutionary computers, yung the Lisa. Pero kahit pinangalan niya yon kay Lisa, Lisa and her mom struggled. While Steve was at peak genius mode, obsessed, driven, and perfectionist, he was trying to change the world but he couldn't see his daughter. Lisa just wanted a dad. Imagine, lumalaki ka that your father is one of the biggest names in technology. Pero hindi sa'yo mabigay ng tatay mo yung pinakasimpleng gusto mo. Yung time, yung presence, and yung affection. Maraming di nakakaalam that Lisa didn't grow up basking in her father's attention. Yung admiration natin kay Steve today, di niya yun naranasan bilang anak. Later on, bumawi naman siya. When Steve had his own family, in-invite niya si Lisa. Bukan niya pa rin, nahabulin yung time na nawala sa kanilang dalawa. He invited Lisa to live with him. He paid for her school. He paid for her needs. He tried to show up. But then, too late. Complicated na, meron ng mga sugat, at ito yung description ni Lisa sa tatay niya. Nakakalungkot. Sabi niya, "My father was a complicated man. Brilliant, but not always kind." And here's the truth behind many success stories. Meron siyang trade-off. Minsan yung ambisyon natin may presyo, at minsan, mahal natin sa buhay yung kailangan magbayad nun. Steve changed the world, but nearing the end of his life, nagbigay siya ng isang bold statement. Sabi niya, "I wish I had spent more time with my kids." Can you imagine the man who built Apple, iPhone, Pixar, still looked back and realized that the one thing he couldn't innovate and recreate was lost time. Kasi at the end of your life, hindi mo naman talaga bibilangin kung gaano nakarami yung pera mo, kung gaano karami yung kumpanya na naitayo mo. Ang maiisip mo talaga, pamilya mo, mga anak mo, at kung gaano karami yung mga panahon na sana naibigay mo pero hindi mo nagawa. Kasi, busy ka. The sad thing, hindi na yun mababalik ng kahit na anong halaga ng pera. To all the parents, especially those who are entrepreneurs, providers, hustlers, yes, build your dreams. Yes, provide for your kids. But don't forget that kids spell love as T-I-M-E, time. So, ikaw evaluate mo din. Nandyan ka ba? Nakikinig ka ba? Present ka ba pag kailangan ka ng anak mo? Steve had the money, the brilliance, and the legacy. We all know that. Pero yung greatest regret niya was the time na hindi niya na naibalik sa mga anak niya. If you're still watching this video, today is a reminder that your dreams matter, but your kids are your greatest legacy. Choose wisely, choose presence, and choose family.